You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting Italian word, a beautiful, a marvelous, a fantastic word, wonderful. It means a marvel or a wonder, something wonderful or marvelous, right? Marvel. You can sort of see marvel and you can sort of hear marvel in the pronunciation. So in Italian it's said as meraviglia, meraviglia. The stress is on the V syllable. Meraviglia is how you say marvel or wonder in Italian. In English, if you don't pronounce Italian perfectly, you could say meraviglia, meraviglia, or in Italian, let's listen again, meraviglia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.